Hey guys, it's Mr. Hanson 404 and we are here today. We're going to talk about circles. We've been working on Algebra 2, so first thing we got to do is learn how to write the equation of the circle. So given the standard form, which is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, where h and k represents the center point. H comma k is your center point, and r represents your radius. We are going to be able to write equations of circles so we can graph them. So if let's say we're given 9 comma 1 is our center and the radius is 7, we just plug in by substitution to get the equation. So we're going to get 7 squared, always substitute using parentheses, otherwise the Grinchy will find you. And then you're going to get x minus 9 is your h value, which relates to the vertex really nicely with quadratics. Squared, because this is making a circle, which is a parabolic relationship, plus y minus our k value is 1. Now you do want to clean this up and make sure that we simplify. So 7 squared is 49 equals x minus 9 squared plus y minus 1 squared. So this is the general equation, the standard form equation of what a circle would look like. If you see this, you should know right away that my center point's at 9 comma 1, and the radius is the square root of 49, which is 7. So to draw the graph of this, if I were to sketch it, it would be 9 comma 1 is my center point, and then I would go up 7 in each direction. Why are all these broken? Okay. And it's going to look something like that. That's not a good circle. Kind of looks like your head. But that's okay. Now, guys, we are given an expanded form equation of a circle, and we need to rewrite this into standard form. So right now we're like incomplete. So it's like the Grinch without max. So we need to complete the square 2 times to get this into the way we want. So you first do that by regrouping. So I'm going to put all the x terms together, all the y terms together. So we're going to get 2x squared plus 2x. That's my x's. Get my y's plus 2y squared minus 2y. And then the negative 71. So remember, when we're completing the square, we're looking for what we need to add to it. And we do that by identifying our b value. So in our x terms, it's 2, and our y terms, it's negative 2. It doesn't really matter for both of these because what we got to add is b over 2 squared, which in both cases would be 2 divided by 2, which is 1 squared, which would just be 1. So we're going to add 1 to both of these. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 2x plus, and then this is where the placeholder goes, plus 1. And then we're going to do the same thing for the y, so 2y squared minus 2y plus 1. The negative 71 is still there, and then we have to add the 1 to the other side twice. So that's a 2 on the other side. Now what we got to do is do some perfect square factoring, perfect square trinomials. So problem. So I messed up. I made a mistake. I went too early. I should have divided by 2 first. So rewind. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. The Grinch was a mean person for a very long time. We're going to divide everything by 2 first. So we want the a value to be 1. So we're going to get x squared plus x plus y squared minus y minus 71 over 2 equals 0. And I'm going really fast, and my class is coming. So now we're going to do the same thing, but this time it's a 1 over 2 squared, which means we're going to get 1/4 to complete the square. So we're going to add 1/4 twice, which means we're going to get x squared plus x plus 1/4 plus y squared minus y plus 1/4 minus 71 over 2 equals 1/2, because I added 1/4 twice to that side. Now I'm going to perfect square factor this, and the factors that multiply to 1/4 and add to 1 are 1/2. So it's going to be x plus 1/2 squared plus y plus 1/2 squared minus 71 over 2 equals 1/2. Now I got to add that 71 over 2 to the other side because I got to make this look like my standard form equation. So I'm going to add that. I don't know why everyone in the back is talking unless they want the Grinch to visit their town and destroy everything. X plus 1/2 squared plus y plus 1/2 squared equals 72 over 2, which simplifies to 36. I'm almost done. I just need to figure out what is my stuff. My center point is -1/2 comma -1/2 because those are pluses. And my radius is 6. You gotta take the square root of 36. I'll see you guys in Whoville next time.